Selecting a large batch of files in Canva used to mean either clicking individually or dragging to select. And while drag select helped, it had real limitations. You could only grab one continuous batch at a time, and starting a new drag would deselect everything you'd already chosen. Canva recently rolled out range select, and it gives you a faster, more precise way to grab exactly what you need. To select a range, click the first file in the group you want, hold Shift, then click the last file in the range. Everything in between them gets selected at once. You can also select multiple separate ranges in one go. Select your first range, then shift-click the start of your next range and shift-click the end of it to add that group to your selection. So if you had 10 files and wanted files 2 through 4 and then 7 through 9, you'd shift-click to select the first range, then shift-click to add the second without losing what you already had selected. To deselect everything, click anywhere off the files. To deselect a single file from your selection, click its checkbox individually. It works in both grid and list view, inside folders, in uploads, and at the top level of your projects.